Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to select a workspace in your IDE. This option allows StackSpot AI to consult one or more workspaces to generate your response. To select a workspace in your IDE, just access it and click on the StackSpot extension. In the chat box, click on the Workspaces button. Now just search for the desired workspace available in your organization's account. Done. We've selected the workspace, and now we can ask StackSpot, which will use the selected workspaces as a basis to generate the response. That's it, folks. Now you know how to use workspaces in StackSpot. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.